right? Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. First time. Here we go.
This is a test of the
Yes.
Weather Service NOAA weather radio.
You went off.
Hazards warning
You
alarm
went off.
system in cooperation
You went
with the
off.
emergency alert
You went
system.
off. You went
Tests
off.
of this alarm system
went
are
off.
conducted every
You went
Wednesday
off.
at 11 a.m.
You went
and
off.
at 7 p.m.
Think you went off.
If there is a severe weather threat, the tests are postponed until the
Wait.
next available good weather day.
Wait.
The alarm tone will activate for
Wait.
severe weather and other life-threatening emergency
You heard what you
messages for the
sound
following
like.
14 transmitters and associated
You went off. VC135 went off.
WXL57.
You didn't go off. You went off. Sounds like you didn't go off. I have you off so you don't annoy the neighbors.
KXI-98 at Marshalltown. KXI-62 at Montezuma.
You went off.
W
Almost perfect activation. For you two, then you to go off. Oh, and you.
At Lennox. WNG666 at Iowa Falls. WNG668 at Denison. WNG688 at Ringston. KJY63 at Forest City.
Late activation there.
For a detailed listing of what counties are served by each transmitter, please visit the NOAA Weather Radio section of our website at www.weather.gov/Des Moines. Once again, please visit the NOAA Weather Radio section at our website, www.weather.gov/Des Moines. This concludes our test. We now return to regular programming. These are the
Thank you for watching.